Welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you a simple trick inside the Telegram desktop app that can completely change the way your app looks. If you've ever noticed that thick window frame on top of the Telegram app and wished you could remove it for a cleaner design, the good news is that Telegram recently made it easy to hide it. Let's walk through the steps together. First, open up your Telegram app on your computer. Make sure you're signed in and on the main page. At the very top left corner, you'll see three small lines stacked on top of each other. This is the main menu button, and it's where you'll find a lot of Telegram's settings. Go ahead and click on those three lines. From the menu that appears, scroll down until you see Settings and select it. This will open up Telegram's settings page where you can customize how the app looks and behaves. Once you're inside, look for the section labeled Advanced. Click on that, and it will open up even more options that aren't visible in the basic settings. Inside the advanced settings, there's a category called Window Title Bar. This is the part that controls how Telegram handles that system frame at the top of the app. You'll notice a checkbox that says Use System Window Frame. By default, this box is usually checked, which means Telegram is using your operating system's window frame. To remove it, simply uncheck that box. The moment you do this, Telegram will instantly refresh its look. That bulky system frame at the top disappears, giving you a smoother, cleaner, and more integrated design. The app will feel more like a native part of your desktop without the extra borders. And that's it. In just a few clicks, you've customized Telegram to look sleeker and more minimal. It's a small change, but for anyone who spends a lot of time chatting on Telegram, this can really improve the overall experience. If you found this guide helpful, try it out on your app and enjoy the cleaner design. Thanks for watching.